How to change date and time on iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and launch the settings application on your device. Here, tap on General and then scroll down and tap on the date and time option. Firstly go ahead and toggle off the toggle button for set automatically, and now go ahead and tap on the date and time option you see there and then go ahead and make the required changes. Simply tap on the date that you want to add into your iPhone and then go ahead and change the time for your iPhone. Once done, go back, and with this, as you can see, the date and time has been changed. So this is how you can change date and time on iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.